Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're starting on the welding of the chassis of Leaky Liz, the Defender. Hope you enjoy it.
Sawzall's working pretty good on this one, Shawn. Is it? Oh yeah, don't cut that. That's the tank. Don't cut that. Cut that filler neck, man. There we go. Just there. It's amazing how much dirt's still on this thing after you wash it, right? There we go. Keep them up now.
So as we can see here, Shawn's now welding the outrigger to the frame on the outside. So from this angle, we are looking through the outrigger while Shawn is welding the inside of the frame on the back side, which you'll see in a later video. So here Shawn's welding a new plate where the spring base will be bolted to. So that's the outriggers in. I forgot to take video of them being installed. The battery died on the camera, but there's a sleeve that slips right through and then this slides in, which is still, it takes a sledgehammer and a block of wood. And we still didn't get it all the way, so we just got to drill them holes out just a little bit, make it work. But the diesel tank's mounted back again, and they come through, and you got the weld there, and same on that side. So they're all in, and we have the spring welded back up again, so ready for the spring to go on, which we got the lifted ones. And this one's welded on. So next is cutting out the front outriggers on both sides and getting them replaced. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in the next video, we'll be working on the front outriggers and getting everything ready to go. And back working on the suspension for the 2-inch lift we're putting in. See you next time.